actually just making myself a smoothie. And I thought, you know what? Let me go live and share this with my community, with my friends. So I want to show you what all I have in store today for this tropical smoothie. And I think you're really going to like it. So here's what I put into it. It looks like a lot of stuff here, but it's really not that much stuff. So what we're going to put in, first of all, frozen bananas. I always keep frozen bananas in my freezer because you never know, they make the best smoothies. They help thicken it. It's awesome. So, you know, you take your frozen bananas and bam, a little emerald action there. Bringing in a little emerald vibe. Bam, you break up the bananas. So you add a frozen banana, like about a half of a frozen banana. Got a little reggae going in the background. You know, it's almost summer now. And actually this summer, it's getting hot in South Florida. So we want this like tropical, cold beverage, you know, to help us feel in the mood. And it's also good when we eat with the seasons, you know. So here's a couple things we're gonna put in this tropical green smoothie. We got a half a banana. We're gonna do a little bit of coconut water. Now the thing with coconut water, you guys, is they're super loaded with sugar. And I have like a half cup of ice in here. I just put like a little coconut water in just to give it a little coconut flavor. And the one I like is Harvest Bay because that one only has, you know, 8 grams of sugar for a whole cup. And we only used a half a cup. So the cool thing about this smoothie, you guys, is that it's like super low in carbs and sugar. You know, the banana, that's about it. So we're gonna take some unsweetened almond coconut milk for a little creaminess and just add a little bit of that too. This is a good one, carrageenan free, which is good. You don't want those gums blocking up your body. And then what I do is I also add a little tablespoon of coconut oil because that's super good too because it has all those MCTs in it. It helps us burn fat, helps keep us full. And speaking of full, we're gonna add an avocado. Like I said, this smoothie is high in healthy fats and it's low in sugar and carbs, you know, so it's great for breaking that fast in the morning. And that's what I'm doing today. And I thought, you know what? I gotta share this. So we're gonna take like a half of an avocado and just boop. That's it. That's not it, but that's how you do the avocado. You have to go boop. You don't have to do that, but I like to make special effects when I'm cooking, as you can tell. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in a little lime juice. You can get fancy and add a little bit of lime zest. And if you have one of these gizmos, you know, it's really nice to be able to just kind of squeeze without the seeds. And then, what do we got? Really just a dash of cinnamon. But before that, the coconut oil I think is really important to mention because there's all sorts of coconut oils. And this one is organic, virgin, cold pressed, unrefined. So those are some of the like keywords you want to look for when you're looking for coconut oil. Costco, come on. Sometimes Costco, I mean, they're getting more and more organic stuff. They're really branching out, like Amazon, right? So we're gonna use a little dash of cinnamon too. And don't worry, I put the recipe in there for you guys, but Ceylon cinnamon is really beneficial. It's actually considered a superfood. So I would add that, and you could barely taste it, believe it or not, too. But it adds a little bit of that like texture, like different flavors. And then I'm gonna start with some super greens powder. I like this one because it has wheatgrass, kale, moringa, and spirulina. So these are some great greens, and really, because they're so concentrated, you guys, you only need like a tiny bit. And it has like natural detoxifying properties. It's super, super good for you. And then we're gonna take also like just a handful of baby organic spinach too, because we want that fiber to really fill us up, right? So you can do this smoothie with or without any kind of like protein powder. So right now we're on the Complete Detox program, I am, and a few other participants, and what we use in that is the ultra clear powder, the specific one that helps detoxify heavy metals. I really like that. And this is my second shake a day. It's really just 2 shakes a day. It's a really easy program to follow, you guys. If you're interested, check out that link that I posted on the Complete Detox, and you can learn about it there. There's a whole webinar, it's free, and you can just watch it and see why, why we need to detox and how easy it is, because it's really not that hard to do with this program that I've developed, because I'm just like you guys, like I like to work hard, play hard, so we have to detox, right? I think I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid because that looks a bit thick. And I think we got all of our ingredients here, so we're ready to shake it up. I think we put the lime in the coconut. That's a good song. I'm gonna have to post that one with this. So then you just kind of blow it up. Take much with a high-speed blender like the Vitamix. That's why I love it so much. I feel like I've had this one for like 10 plus years. I don't even know, but they last forever and they're the best. So then you have, like, you're left with this amazing, delicious, thick green shake. And I'm going to show you how good this looks. And it tastes even better. So then you got your little tropical smoothie ready to go. How cool is that, you guys? Ready to go for the weekend. And detoxing. How can it get any better than that, right? So I hope you guys make this. I highly, highly recommend it. Like I said, super high in fiber, super filling, super low in sugar. If you want to jump in the Complete Detox program, you can do that anytime. And that's about it. Oh, if you wanted to add some toasted coconut chips on it too, it adds a little texture and crunch. Just kind of put those in there. Should make a different sound for those. But anyways, cheers, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and have my breakfast now, and I hope you have a great weekend. See ya.